Hi, welcome to Autodesk Fusion 360 video tutorial. Today I want to do the base plate which I did before in the other programs. So first I need some planes. One at 400, another one at 600, one at 1050, and in that direction the last one at 1500, then one at -27. Okay, now let's start with our first sketch, which should be right on that plane, and I need to include those two planes, so press P for project, select this one and that one, and OK. First sketch should look something like this. Okay, make this horizontal here, and this point above that one, and this point above that one. Then give it dimensions. This should be 130. The angle should be 15, and that one should be 3 degrees. This point above that one, and another dimension from this point to that point, and this should be 180. Now the fillets. One here, and that should be 200, and another one right there, again 200. Stop the sketch, and now I could make my first surface, so go for a revolve. That's the profile, and type is an angle, yes, symmetric, yes, and the axis should be this one, and the angle should be to both sides 80 degrees, and confirm. Next sketch on the same plane, right here. Again I need those planes, so press P for project, select this one, that one, and this one. Okay, sketch, it's a line, and then it's an arc, and okay. Now let's align these points. No, that's no good. Give it a distance. That should be 100, and then align these. No, still not working. So move it a little bit over here and align it. Now this point and that point. Okay. Another dimension. This should be 2400. And stop this sketch as well. Then I need a plane for my next sketch. So let's make the plane in this way. First I need a vertex right here. Then repeat, pointed vertex right here. Then make an axis through 2 points. This one and that one. And now make a plane at an angle. 0 degree, that's okay, and confirm. Now I could do my next sketch. Maybe let's hide this axis. And I could use the points, yes. Okay, sketch right on that plane. And this should look something like then an arc, then another arc, and then a line. Or I could use that edge as well. Yeah. So make this for construction only. And move this over here. Now make these 2 tangent. And I need this point on that one. Yeah. Of course, I would have to, or I could do it with a dimension. Make a dimension. And let's make this just 100. Okay, then a dimension from here to here. This should be 9.8. And I need another arc right here. So go for an arc. Maybe like this, and this should be somewhere over here. Now let's align the points. So this one and that one should be aligned. And I have to include that one here, so make P, project this one. Okay, align these, okay. Now another dimension, this should be 300. And distance from that point to this one should be 750. This radius should be 200. And that one should be 1000. Okay. So let's remove this one. And that point should be on that one right here. So let me see if I can. No, that's not possible. So I should project this one into my sketch. P, project. Now it should be possible to use. No, I forgot to confirm the projection. Okay, and now I should be able to. Yes. Now let's move this over here and another dimension. This should be 1000. Okay. Yeah, but that's in the wrong direction. Just noticed. So I need the arc in the other direction. In that direction. And the radius should be 300. Okay. I have to mirror this one. Therefore we'll need a line. So for a line from that point to right here. Align it and make it for construction only. Now let's mirror this. Go to mirror. I want to mirror these elements. Add that line and confirm. Stop the sketch. I need another sketch. I will go for a loft. Yeah, because the sweep has only one guide, no 3 guides. So I will have to make another sketch on that plane right here. Let's project those points. P, this one, that one, and that one. Confirm. Make an arc. 1, 2, 3. Stop the sketch. Another one right here. Sketch on that plane. Again, project those points. P, this one, that one, and that one. Okay, make an arc. 1, 2, 3. Stop the sketch and make maybe on that one as well. So go for another sketch on that plane, and I would need again these points. So let's see, I could project include. Could I make an intersection? Yes. 1, 2, 3. No. But this didn't work, so let's try again. I'm just blind. So intersect this Okay. That one. Okay. And this one. Okay. Let's make an arc. Point, point, point. Stop this sketch as well. And now I want to make, hopefully, a loft. Let's hope that these connect to that sketches, because that's a little bit hard to do in Fusion 360. I need a loft. This should go from over here, then give it some rails. First rail, second rail, and third rail. It looks good to me, and confirm. Now I need only 1/2, so let's make a trim with one of those planes. I think it's plane 3. Yes. And I want to remove that side and confirm. Very, very nice. Okay. I could try to use one of the sketches, but I will make a new one. Yeah, I will make a new one. And on that plane right here, let's project these points. That one, that one, that one, and that one. And confirm. This should look again something like this. And a line. And I could mirror it as before. Or yeah, let's make another one, because it doesn't matter. Okay, this is for construction only. Construction only. Give it a dimension, make it 100 as before. Okay. This should be tangent here as well. And that point should be right here. And that one right here. So I think this one is not aligned. So this line right here should be like this. Okay. Give it dimensions. That one should be 1000. Yeah. Let's do first those 200 radius. This should be 200. That should be 200. Let's see, this one should be 1000. Yeah, that's strange. There's something which I don't get right here. There's some sort of limitation. So let's try it once again. Dimension this one to 1000. You can make it smaller but not bigger. That's the point. Yeah. Okay. And stop this sketch. Now I could try to use that edge and that edge, but I think it will not work, so let's take a look. Loft, if you want to use that edge, it's not possible. Or you could deselect chain, and yeah, that's okay. And that one, nice. Make it tangent to the surface and add some rails. This one. Now I want, of course, chain selection. Yeah, and that one as well. That's nice. And confirm. Now I could stitch these together. So go for stitch 1, 2, 3, and OK. Now some more sketches on that plane right here. So go for sketch on that plane. And the first should look something like this. I could project those planes once again. Maybe I hide the body, and I need plane 1, plane 2, plane 3, plane 4. Confirm. Now let's align our points. Nope, that's wrong. So move it over here, this one over here, and that one right over here. Now let's try once again. This one to that one, and this one to that one. Now give it some dimensions. This should be an angle. degrees. There should be a distance from that point to this one, which is 1300. The distance from that line to that point is 160. And there should be another angle right here, which is 6 degrees, and a distance which is 240. Now let's add some fillets, and these fillets should have 300 as value. 300. 300. 300. Stop the sketch. And another sketch on the same plane. sketch on, nope, on that plane right there. So that's plane 5, yes, sketch. Let's take a look. Yeah, I'm on the right plane. And I need another line. And I need those planes again, so make P for project. 1, 2, 3, 4, and confirm. Now let's arrange. That point should be there. This one should be below that one. And that one below that one. Then I need a dimension from this point to that one, which is 1020. Then a distance which is 730, and another distance which is 765, and the radius is 5000. And the fillet right here, which is 400. And stop the sketch. I will go for extrude, so I need another sketch on that plane. And that's just a line which should, that's convenient, give it a length of, let's say, 1000, doesn't really matter. Okay, stop the sketch. Now let's make an extrude with this sketch. Extrude that line in that direction, and it could go to an object, and that would be plane 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and confirm. Now let's trim this. Go for trim, that's the tool, and I want to remove that side. Confirm, repeat, trim, that's the tool, that's the side to remove, and confirm. Very nice. 2 more sketches. Sketch on that plane, and let's project this one and that one. Okay, then I need an arc, 3 point, let's make it tangent, and this one should be already tangent. If not, Stop sketch. Let's make an extrude with this sketch. 1, 2, 3. Make it -100 or -200. And confirm. Let's go to the other side. Again, a sketch on plane 4. Project that edge and that edge. Confirm. Make another arc. You could go for a tangent arc. Okay. And just check this tangent. So stop this sketch and make another extrude. Make it 200 as before. Confirm. Now let's stitch these together. So go to stitch 1, 2, 3, 4. Seems I missed here something. Or didn't I? No. Should be okay. And let's try to patch this. Go to patch, select this, and make it tangent to the surroundings, and confirm. Okay. Now I need a sweep on that edge, and then I'm done. So I could go for another sketch, or first cut it off, doesn't really matter. Go for another sketch on that plane, and I need that point right here, so make P and project this. Okay, and I need an arc. And I could project that edge as well. Make this for construction only, and make this tangent. Give it a dimension. This should be 50, and that distance should be 50 as well. Stop sketch. Yeah, I could go for a loft if I make... Yeah, I could go for a loft, not for a sweep. Because if I do a sweep, this could be... I would need the same over here to make this tangent to that surface. Yeah. I would need a sketch right here, and then the same curve right there. This would be ideal. Then I could make a loft from this profile to that profile, make a tangent to that one. Oh, that's interesting. Maybe I should try it. So maybe first I will trim it. Okay, let's trim with that tool right here. I want to remove this one. Okay. And another trim with plane 4. Remove this side. And I could already do a trim with the mid plane and remove this, because in the end I will mirror the complete surface. If I do a sweep, I cannot make sure that this surface is tangent to that one. And if I do another loft, I could make sure it is. Okay, let's try. So sketch on plane 4. Let's project that edge. Okay, make it for construction only. Then make an arc. Make it tangent. Okay, give it a dimension. This should be 50, and the radius should be 50 as well. Yeah, but that point should be right here. Stop this sketch. And I would have to make a sketch on a different plane, which is 50 above this one, which means it's 50 minus, it's 23 above the other plane. So let's make it with an axis. So let's go for point at vertex. This one. Repeat that one. And now make an axis. And then make a plane at angle. And the angle should be 90 degrees. Yeah. Now let's make a sketch on that plane. And let's see. Let's project these points. 1, 2. And make the same sketches here. That should go something like this, then it should be horizontal aligned, and then it should go maybe like that. Okay, now this one should be no, that's wrong, because because that's different, because I used that as axis. Yeah, so I need that axis peak and project this to my plane and make it for construction only. That's the line. No? I don't want. I want this axis in my that axis. No, not that. Sorry, I want this one. Okay. And that's this line, right? That one, yeah. Okay. So this one and that one should be parallel. Yeah. That's it. And there should be a distance, yeah, in regard to this. Oh, yeah. It's not as easy as I thought, because my axes are not the same, but I could project that plane. Let's project all those planes into that sketch. Okay, so this one should be aligned to no, that's really hard to do. This should be there, right there. So yeah, I have to project this point, and I did already this one. So that one and that one should be coincident, yes. The radius should be 5000, and this point, that edge and that edge should be parallel, and that one should be parallel. But that's already parallel to this one, so I need a distance. Therefore, well, that's really not as easy as I thought. Yeah, okay. This point should be in that plane. So this point should be in that plane. That means not. Okay. I cannot select it. That's kind of odd, because I thought I had projected this then into my sketch. Right now it doesn't work at all. Now it's back on track. Okay, that point should be in that plane right here, in that one. And I need a fillet. And the radius should be 400. And stop the sketch. And now I should be able to make a loft with that edge, not the sketch. Hopefully. So go for a loft. That's one profile, and the other one should be that edge. So if I don't use chain, I will not get there. That's crazy. That's okay. Make it, that's 3, make it direction right here. And give it 2 guides. Rail 1, rail to and confirm. Let's take a look. Yeah, okay. You could do it with a sweep, doesn't really matter. Okay, now let's stitch these together. Stitch 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's hide our sketches and the construction elements and make a mirror. I want to mirror a body, this one, with that plane right here. Confirm. Stitch these together. Nothing is stitched, really. Let's take a look. That's body. Body. Stitch. Body. Body. Now it's stitched. And I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one as well. If you want to see more, give it a like or leave a nice comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.